Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Hi kids, I am on my way to my farm. I'm gonna show you my farm animals. So, you have to guess, what am I? What am I? ¿Qué soy yo? What am I? Right? I can be different animals, different farm animals. Okay? So, let's go. Brum, brum. What am I? I'm a dog. Woof, 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 woof. I'm a farm animal, but some people consider that I am a pet, una mascota, because I live at home. I am the best friend of a human. So, if you want to have a dog, you have to take care of them, right? What am I? I'm a rabbit. But, you know what? I want to be a happy rabbit. So, I'm going to smile with my mouth. Are you ready to see my smile? Ready, steady, go. I'm super happy. I'm a happy rabbit. I'm white and fluffy. Ooh, what am I? Big and a sheep. Hi kids, I've got a secret to tell you. I have something really cool to show you. You know what? I have something on my nose. Yeah, my nose. What is it? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. There it is. Yeah! I have a duck on my nose. It's a yellow duck. And it is Old MacDonald's duck. Do you remember the song? Old MacDonald had a duck. E-I-E-I-O. Now, Teacher Tanya has a duck. E-I-E-I-O. It's a yellow duck. It's super cute. It's a duckling. It's really small. I really like it. Do you like my duck on my nose? What am I going to be? What am I? I'm a horse. I'm a horse. I'm a farm animal. I have a surprise for you. I'm going to show you 3 farm animals. Oh, do you see them? 1, 2, 3. I've got 3 pigs on me. 1, 2, and 3. 3 little pigs. Like the story about 3 little pigs. Do you remember the story? Oh my God, the pig is also a farm animal. How does the pig do? He does like Peppa and George. Can you snore like a pig? What am I? I am a cock or a rooster. I sing like "Kikiriki." When I sing, everybody wakes up. Wake up, wake up. You cannot be late to school. I hope you liked this farm animals video. I really liked it. So, see you. Bye-bye.